Most golfers with a higher swing speed go for a harder, for a higher compression golf ball. And myself, well, I'm an older guy with a little bit more finesse. Let's call it that. So I don't play those. I play something a little softer. And I've been playing Chrome Soft, but they weren't marked. And now I got Chrome Soft TruTrack. Let's break down why this is the ball for me and what one might be right for you and your golf swing. How about that? Let's go. Welcome to the Blue Collar Golf Simulator. I'm Frugal Fixer Spike, and well, tonight we're going to talk about golf balls for this thing. Yeah. Now, in mine, well, I've played other balls and tried different things, but I like them soft with low compression. And so I've been playing the Chrome Soft to get the feel I like. Now, I use the square golf, and so you need to get something that'll read if you want it to really get you good numbers and you want good spin and all that. You need a ball with markings. Now, you can play without markings and go estimated spin, and I can promise you this, the numbers won't be that bad, and you can play it and enjoy it. But when you put these on, it kind of gets a little bit tighter and it works a little bit better. You put the little club stickers on your clubs if you're going to be using the square golf, it will give you better results because it's just like this, guys. The better the information you put into the system, the better you're going to get output out of it. It doesn't matter if you have a square golf or if you got a fast swing, a slow swing. Find the ball that works for you and your sim and your swing. And, so me, the soft balls that I can use finesse are great for me. They got real nice spin when I want a lot of spin because I don't have a lot of spin. I don't hit the ball real hard. Driver, I don't really care about driver spin because I don't hit the thing. I'd very seldom take it out of the bag. So that's not an issue for me. But do what makes you happy and what you enjoy playing, guys. That's what you want to do. Play the ball that you enjoy and gives you good results. Now, this is where I'm at. Chrome TruTrack. That's where I'm at. Most players with the higher swing speed play that harder, high compression ball. And for us seniors, it's not comfortable. It beats us up beating on that hard ball. And we don't get the results we want because we can't compress it and get the ball to go. When you can hit it hard and fast, you can hit it and make it compress and go. But when you swing 65, 70 miles an hour, you're not going to make the ball compress and go very far. So you want a compressed ball that'll soften and compress and you make it go. It'll mash and then release and get out of here. I like the low compression balls. I like to have the feel, the softness, the control. For me and my swing, it just works for me. And the consistency on every shot that I get out of these. The TruTrack's going to help you with your alignment. It's going to get you a lot better results in the simulator also by having the markings on it that are read on the machine. Set it to advanced and use these. You'll do well. Okay. Now, the reality of it. Does it change my numbers? Not really. Or does it change the distance or anything? Nope, not really. Does it change side spin? Not really. If it was somebody with a faster swing, probably so, but mine are pretty reliable. It can estimate what I do. It's not going to overestimate me for sure. But guys, these are really working great, and I'm having good result with them, and the feel's great. And for me, it was just another step in the right direction. I mean, I've got plenty of them down here, but yeah, the balls that come with this thing, the square. Now I got one of the very first units, and so I got those two-piece balls, and I cut one of them apart on the video in half and looked at it, and it looked like an egg inside. It went bad, and when you look at it, it was flat on a lot of sides. It had like a bunch of flat spots, and you put it on the table, and it roll. It wouldn't roll. It just stopped. It took a beating. I hit it a lot. This right here is just another step in bringing the data in a little better line and making me a little happier with the way it feels. And you know, hit a ball you like first of all, and try to get one that gets you the best results you can get. Second of all, I mean, I'm not going to hit a ball that I just can't stand, and just because it gives good results, that won't work. I want to hit something I want to hit. Now, I can hit these, and then I can hit the other one without this mark on it, and they're the same golf ball. And then I can go to the golf course and not have to play this one because, well, I don't know. Something about playing at the golf course with this ball, this doesn't feel right. It's almost like playing one of them with different colors. Nope, not me, guys. I ain't doing it. Guys, with the square balls that came with mine, you can just feel the cheapness and well, this they just didn't have it. And I beat on them for a while until I started using other things, and then I went to this and that, and now settled in on this, and I'm happy. So yeah, this is where I'm at, and they got it reading perfect, and just couldn't ask for better. Guys, if you're serious about your golf, well, use a good ball with some markings on it. Put your club marker on. Get good results in the machine. Get good results out. Just give it the best chance to give you the best result. That's all you can do. Now you can check the Amazon link down below, and there'll be a link to find you these golf balls and some other options that read pretty well too. I want to make sure all those are out there for you. Guys, like and subscribe, and if you would do some comments, I'd like to know what you think about what ball you're using, what results you're getting out of it. And I know I was kind of hard headed. I went with those Chrome Soft without the markings for a while because, well, I was getting good results. And well, when I changed these, the results didn't really change much. Spins are just about identical. I can hit two of them side by side, and the number is going to be almost identical if I hit it the same. And it's how good you are too. I mean, like let's be honest. Okay, Joe Legowski is a great friend, and Joe can hit the ball and tell you how many spins it's got and how far it's going to go. Can I do that? Not really, not like he can. I know kinda. I mean, I'll know if it's a 8,000 or a nine, or if I'll know it's a four or five. If it was supposed to have been a nine, but it's a five, I'll darn sure know that. As far as knowing exact spin and stuff like Joe and them, I mean, they're great. They got golfing ability, guys. I'm an old man. I just play golf for the fun, and I give it the best input I can to get the best results I can, and enjoy it. So yeah, square golf. That's what I'm doing for now. Maybe one day there'll be something up there. You never know. We got something in mind. I'm thinking about. Hey, y'all guys take care. We'll see you next time. Okay. Remember this: God loves you, and so do I. And you can't take it with you. That's right. Might as well do it and spend it on something you enjoy. Take care of yourselves. We'll see you later.